Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And today we have a, how should I say this? This is not a gossip based video. This is more like a discussion, chatty video, if you say so, right? Because I have so much to talk about the beauty space in India currently. How are celebrities in this beauty space currently? This is the video about that, right? And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. So basically, I think if you don't know this already, if you're not somebody who's very caught up with beauty की news and all of these news, so let me tell you, बहुत सारे Hollywood के celebrities, be it Jennifer Lopez, be it Rihanna, be it Ariana Grande, be it Selena Gomez, like these are the main people जिनके brands हैं and हमको पता है इनके brands हैं. But there are so many people like Hailey Bieber, जिनके अपने स्किन केयर बेस्ड ब्रांड्स हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स काइली जेनर का अपना ब्रांड है, एंड वी ऑल नो दैट, राइट? ऑल ऑफ दीज ब्रांड्स, दे आर quite good successful brands, especially Selena का brand, Rihanna का brand, they are doing so good, like they have good stuff coming out. मैंने देखा लोगों को इंडिया में ही इतना क्रेज है रेयर ब्यूटी का, फेंटी ब्यूटी का, so you can imagine बाहर कितना होगा, right? Similarly, हमारे जो Indian celebs हैं, and by Indian celebs I mean Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone and Katrina Kaif, they also ventured in the beauty space. Now, हमें सबको पता है कि by Katrina launched in 2019 and Katrina was the first one जिसने अपना brand launch कर लिया था in collaboration with Nykaa. So Katrina Kaif is like partner and the main brain about it, and Nykaa is like जिनकी lab है जो marketing करते हैं, right? So it's like both of them are the stakeholder as well as the brains behind the brand, right? Then I think in 2021 Priyanka Chopra, she launched her own brand which is more like a hair care brand, okay? So Anomaly hair care was Priyanka ka brand. Now Priyanka launched her brand in US. So US में जो Priyanka का brand है, this is more like a very CVS में जो मिलता है, so more like आपका household brand rather than Jennifer Lopez के brand की तरह जिसके लिए आपको wait list में बैठना पड़ेगा और you have to pay like $120 for her brand. Her brand is, Priyanka Chopra का brand is pretty affordable, right? And now very recently, I think November में it was funny because she actually came to India on Shah Rukh Khan's birthday, and that is around when Anomaly launched on Nykaa. I think Anomaly launched Nykaa पे around September में हो गया था, but Priyanka November में आई थी, and she did this marketing and everything for her brand, ठीक है? Then similarly, I think mid-November के आसपास, I'm not sure if this was around my birthday, उससे पहले या around like that, like 10 November से 15 November के बीच में, Deepika Padukone also launched her brand which is 82 East, right? And her brand is more like a self-care brand. Now listen, what is a self-care brand is something I haven't understood. Like self-care is basically both skincare, makeup, everything. Like self-care में तो कंघी भी आती है, सब कुछ आते हैं. So does this mean कि Deepika Padukone का self-care brand will आगे जाके venture into beauty as well, because makeup भी self care में आता है, hair care भी self care में आती है, right? So I don't know, but right now Deepika has launched two products which are more like sunscreen and moisturizer, so it's more on the skin care kind of a regime, right? And yeah, also it is said that right now it's the news that Katrina is also going to launch her wellness वाली कोई चीज जिसकी वजह से Katrina has stopped advertising for Slice because Slice isn't the most wellness wali cheese. So yeah, that is that as well. So Katrina is going to broaden her area more now, and yeah, right? So let's talk about these brands in depth in comparison to each other because it is all over the place. Okay, so Deepika ka brand, first of all, let's start with Deepika ka brand because Deepika ka brand is the elephant in the room. Listen, I love Deepika, okay? I think Deepika is everything, okay? She has the money, she has the means, she has everything going on for her. So does Katrina वैसे तो, and so does Priyanka. Like वो तीनों अगर मुझसे कोई पूछेगा, I think वो तीनों की power in terms of power, communication and in terms of connection, I think तीनों Priyanka, Katrina and Deepika almost same level पे हैं, ठीक है? Success के terms में भी तीनों same ही level पे हैं, okay, because मैंने कहूँगी कि वो कम है या वो ज़्यादा, because all three of them, they are stars. They are well connected. They have all the connections in the world. They have all the money in the world. That is that as well. Okay. So Katrina made a very smart move and she collaborated with Nykaa. ठीक है. So basically क्या होता है, जब आपको मेकअप बनाना होता है, you need labs, है ना. मेकअप भी, स्किन केयर भी, हेयर केयर भी, सबके लिए आपको लैब्स चाहिए होती हैं, है ना. अब रादर दैन कि आप एक लैब अपनी बनाओगे, ऑब्वियसली दैट डजंट मेक सेंस. इट मेक सेंस कि आप ऐसे ब्रांड के साथ टाई अप करो जिसकी ऑलरेडी एक लैब हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल काइली की जो लैब है और कलर पॉप की जो लैब थी, काइली की जो लैब थी पहले वाले एंड कलर पॉप की जो लैब भी है, ये दोनों सेम लैब्स थी. ठीक है. सो कलर पॉप एंड काइली, उन दोनों की सेम लैब में ही फॉर्मुलेशंस होती थी. ऐसे ही नायका का जो अपना जो भी बनता है प्लस कटरीना का वाला जो भी बनता है वो सब ऑलमोस्ट सेम लैब्स में ही बनता है, बिकॉज दोनों ऑलमोस्ट लाइक सिस्टर ब्रांड्स ही हैं. राइट नाउ दीपिका ने अपना 2022 में लॉन्च किया था, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि दीपिका ने प्लानिंग अराउंड 2020 शुरू कर दी होगी, बिकॉज इतनी जल्दी 6 महीने में नहीं बनते प्रोडक्ट्स. So the first point of our comparison would be the price point. ठीक है. Now K by Katrina मैंने कहूँगी कि बहुत अफोर्डेबल है. ठीक है. But K by Katrina का जो ये ब्रांड है, इसकी एक USP है that it is reachable to every person. ठीक है. I mean, of course, I wouldn't say teenagers and college-going people who are not earning. That is not what K by Katrina actually cater towards. I mean, कुछ products maybe, but not every product. For example, foundation is literally 1,000 plus. So not everybody can buy a foundation for 1,000 rupees. Like affordability is subjective, but for somebody who's earning well enough can literally buy that, है ना? If you wait for good opportunity, Nykaa की अच्छी sales, you can always buy K by Katrina के products on really good discount. So that is one thing about K by Katrina कि वो हर किसी को accessible है. Coming to Anomaly. Now Anomaly का shampoo is basically 750 rupees, है ना. So अगर मुझसे कोई पूछे like 750 rupees for a shampoo, छोटी बॉटल, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट बड़ी बॉटल, इट्स अ छोटी बॉटल, इज अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव. बट अभी वाली जो सेल हुई थी नायका पे, पिंक फ्राइडे सेल, आई लिटरली सॉ बाय वन गेट वन. सो 750 में एक शैम्पू, एक कंडीशनर, या मतलब शैम्पू कंडीशनर शैम्पू शैम्पू जो भी आप कॉम्बो बनाना चाहो, तो बाय वन गेट वन पे आपको वो मिल जाएगा, विच मेक्स इट अगेन वेरी असेसिबल ड्यूरिंग द सेल्स. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू 82E. If I'm not wrong, the moisturizer costs 2,100 rupees and whatever that patchouli glow cost for, I don't know, like this is the price point. They are literally 1,800, 2,100 or 2,700, something like that. The price point is really high. Listen, it's really high and I'm pretty sure that this is one of those categories where you have to break your bank almost to get these products. This is not something everybody can afford. मैं तो price देख के ही बाहर हो गई थी. I'm not doing it. This is not me. I can't. ठीक है ना? So that is what I'm saying. Unless you are really well earning right now, this is not something you would want to go for. Second thing is availability. Now by availability what I really mean is कि K by Katrina is available on Nykaa only because Nykaa का brand है, so आपको Nykaa से ही लेना पड़ेगा. Anomaly is available on Myntra, it's on Nykaa. I'm pretty sure वो Amazon पे भी होगा और वो हर जगह available होगा. So अगर आप Nykaa के जो वो शॉप है उसमें भी जाओगे तो I think वहाँ मिल जाएगा. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है like Anomaly आपको हर बड़े रिटेलर पे, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाटा क्लिक वालों का है या रिलायंस वालों का है, हो सकता है आपको उनके स्टोर्स पे भी अवेलेबल हो जाए, जो भी उनकी एप्स होंगी उन पे अवेलेबल होगा. ठीक है. सो द अवेलेबिलिटी फॉर Anomaly इज वास्ट, लाइक इट्स आउट देयर. Deepika का brand on the other hand right now you can only buy it from the website. Third point would be marketing. Now जब K by Katrina लॉन्च हुआ था 2019 में, आई रिमेम्बर बॉलीवुड का एक एक बंदा लिटरली आकर कटरीना के साथ वीडियोस कर रहा था. एक एक बंदे को कटरीना ने PR भेजा था, सबकी स्टोरीज कटरीना ने डाली थी. Everybody was talking about this brand. Nykaa took marketing to this level. It was their in-house brand. They had money in it and they took it to another level. It was marketing genius. It was everything because I know Anomaly में as I said प्रियंका ने सबसे पहले US में लॉन्च किया and I don't think like people in US don't generally care about Indian brands or anything, like some Indian owned brand. I don't know if they really cared about it, if it really worked. I don't know, I'm not sure, right? But then she came to India, which is I'm really mad about. Like Priyanka belongs to India. Why was launching in India an afterthought? I don't understand this and I'm not happy with it, okay? I think the launch was very fika. It wasn't as hyped up as it should have been tab us time pe. But then Priyanka came to India in November and all the hype was gained. She did so many videos with all these influencers. So जितने भी नायका वाले influencers हैं, in beauty space वाले influencers हैं, most of them were called. They were making videos with Priyanka. They made videos about the hair care brand and everything. So I think to some level the marketing happened. ठीक है? Now coming to Deepika's brand, लॉन्च हो गया है सब कुछ, राइट? उसके एक हफ्ते के बाद लोगों के पास पीआर जा रहे हैं. Nobody is talking about this brand. मैंने जिन इन्फ्लुएंसर को बनाते हुए देखा है, उन्होंने अपने पैसों से खरीद कर बनाया था, राइट? सब ने ऑलमोस्ट ऑर्डर दे दिया था एंड देन दे गॉट टू नो कि ओ हम तो पीआर लिस्ट पे हैं, तो चलो अब कैंसिल कर देते हैं एंड हमें पीआर वाला प्रोडक्ट तो आ ही जाएगा. सो दैट इज द थिंग. द थिंग्स डिड नॉट मेक सेंस. ऑल्सो यू नो इट्स फनी हाउ जब ये ब्रांड का लॉन्च हुआ, सबको पता था चलो 82 हो रहा है लॉन्च एंड एवरीथिंग. आई वाज जस्ट स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू माय इंस्टाग्राम वन फाइन डे एंड आई सॉ कि प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च भी हो गए हैं. इट वाज सच अ फीका लॉन्च. किसी को पता भी नहीं है लॉन्च हो गए हैं. इट वाज डेड. Crickets all around. I don't know. I mean, whoever the marketing team was, they fucked up such a big time. It was hopelessly poor. Very disappointing. Coming to the fourth point comes from here, the hype. ठीक है, as I said, K by Katrina की hype was another level. Everybody was talking about it because this was the first brand that came into the existence, है ना, पहला brand by celebrity. Everybody was talking about it. Everybody was hyped and everybody उस hype में आके सबने खरीदा. Okay, including me, I did too. ठीक है, Anomaly की hype wasn't as much as it should have been. I think जिस टाइम पर Anomaly launch हुआ, प्रियंका को बिल्कुल उसी टाइम पर ही इंडिया में आना चाहिए था और she should have waited until November launch करने के लिए because things kind of like mismatched and वो बात नहीं बनी. ठीक है, something just didn't work out the way it should have been. Then coming to Deepika. There is literally zero hype about her brand. If you are not active in this beauty space, you wouldn't know कि ऐसा कुछ launch भी हुआ है. I'm pretty sure half of the people don't even know कि ऐसा कुछ launch भी हुआ है. There was no hype. I mean, Instagram, let me tell you, Instagram के algorithm अपने आप में इतने complicated, इतने बुरे हैं ना कि अगर किसी का post नहीं देखते हो तो आपको दिखाएंगे भी नहीं, है ना? तो अगर आप दीपिका का post नहीं देखते हो तो आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा दीपिका का brand है. Last point of this whole thing is review. Right? So K by Katrina, let me tell you this one thing. K by Katrina के जो reviews है ना, from general public, मैं influencers की बात नहीं कर रही. I'm talking about general public जिन्होंने अपने पैसे से खरीदा है. People love that brand. हर किसी को, I mean, example मैं अपना ले रही हूँ. For somebody like me जिसको थोड़े से ज़्यादा colorful, out of the world चीज़ें पसंद है, I definitely don't cater towards her brand. But जो basic लोग हैं, जो basic चीज़ें use करना पसंद करते हैं, basic blush, basic compact, basic foundation, boring people, let me say that. Okay, तो उनको K by Katrina का brand बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Let me tell you that general people love K by Katrina because it gives quality, it gives everything, it gives performance. People love it. Okay, so she's making that money because she's giving good things. ठीक है, and I think Katrina is doing good. ठीक है, I will not lie, she is doing well for herself in this brand because I think she's passionate towards it, है ना? वो अपनी तरफ से कोशिश कर रही है and whatever she is doing, it's giving results. Good for her, good for us. Anomaly की जब हम बात करते हैं प्रियंका चोपड़ा के ब्रांड की, other than अगर मैं influencers की बात ना करूँ तो I think it is a very hit and miss situation. मैंने नहीं देखा लोगों को बहुत अच्छे इसको reviews देते हुए. ठीक है, some people say कि ड्राई शैम्पू बहुत अच्छा है. I have heard कि ड्राई शैम्पू बहुत अच्छा है, ड्राई शैम्पू की हाइप अच्छी है and people really like the ड्राई शैम्पू. There was another product जो लोगों को बहुत पसंद था but then वो इंडिया में लॉन्च ही नहीं हुआ. You know, जो एक्चुअली इनका बहुत अच्छा एक प्रोडक्ट था वो इंडिया में लॉन्च ही नहीं हुआ. And also शैम्पू को लेके people have very mixed and matched opinions. Some say कि बहुत अच्छा शैम्पू है, some say it's average. So it's like a hit and a miss situation. Coming to दीपिका का ब्रांड, मैंने जितने भी लोगों को देखा है जिन्होंने अपने पैसे से लेकर खरीदा था, एंड मुझे मॉइस्चराइजर का आइडिया नहीं, क्योंकि मॉइस्चराइजर का मैंने उतना रिव्यू नहीं देखे, बट फॉर दैट सनस्क्रीन ड्रॉप्स एंड एवरीथिंग पीपल आर नॉट लाइकिंग इट. दे से इट्स वेरी हेवी, इट्स वेरी ग्रीसी, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट, इट्स नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द मनी. सो इट्स लाइक इट्स जस्ट sinking ship for me at this point. I don't know what Deepika did, but Deepika just didn't do it as she should have done. Such a missed opportunity, I would call it. I'm not happy at all. Okay, that is that. If you want to buy it using your own brain. इनके चक्कर में मत पड़ना, इनके रिव्यू देख के मत लेना, अपने हिसाब से ही buy करना if you think you want to buy it. Okay. So yeah, that is that, guys. This is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button if you like it, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.